This was a specific sentence. I said it's to be performed in 4-hour increments. I come to find out a few days ago that, in fact, she showed up once and left after an hour or an hour and a half, and that 9 scheduled community service appointments were just blown off, that she failed to appear. Based on that, they terminated her. The way I look at it, Ms. Lohan has created an impossibility to perform the sentence that was given to her by her own actions. Now, I certainly find that cause to revoke probation. Nobody has the power to change my sentence. Not the volunteer center and not probation. To the extent she has done any community service in these days running up to this court appearance, I will not give her any credit for that. That can be out of the goodness of her heart. And you can take it up with the volunteer center, but she's not getting credit. That was not my sentence.
She is welcome to come there and complete her community service there because he feels she can be of value there to the substance abuse programs that he conducts.
You know, I thought she could have been of value at the Downtown Women's Center.
And perhaps she
and
can
I was
be,
pretty wrong on that.
Okay. I'll get to that if the court will allow me.
Yes.
But she did such a good job there, was so cooperative, so participatory, that he thought that she would be an asset to him and has welcomed her to come there to do community service.
Sure, it'll be a lot of publicity for his program, wouldn't it? She needed to get off the stick, start doing that community service, because I wasn't going to hear 1 year from April 22nd that she had no time because of work. That if she got on a movie, I mean, she is supposed to be an actress, from what I hear.
Yes.
I don't know how much acting work she's done or is doing, but there were notices in the newspaper she was due to appear in some film based on John Gotti or something. So what I said was, if in fact she's got a film coming up, she better do this community service now, because I will not hear later that, oh, I was on a film and I couldn't get it done. A year is a generous amount of time. And the way I can count, she's got 57 out of those 60 days left to do. Okay? Not great at math, but that's what I'm counting. In fact, what I believe they wrote in a letter was that perhaps she should go to the morgue first and learn how tough some community service can be, and then they would take her back. But you're saying she was terminated for excessive absences because she was out of the country. Let me read what she told probation, okay? I'm going to read this to you.
Yes.
Ms. Lohan indicates that at the Women's Center, she wasn't interacting with anyone, so the service was not fulfilling. Her words, the service... Is that what a sentence is about? It's supposed to fulfill the defendant, or is it supposed to be rehabilitative and or punitive?
So can she remain?
No. Take her into
Can she remain here in this?
It's up to the sheriffs. I don't tell sheriffs where to put people. I'll see everybody back here November 2nd. People, have your ducks lined up. I want witnesses, if you're going to have a hearing, unless you have some sort of stipulation that both of you have reached prior to that date.